Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up the network panel. First, open your browser's developer tools, typically by pressing F12 or Command-Option-I on your keyboard. Once open, navigate directly to the Network tab. This is where all your web page's requests are captured. Make sure the recording function is active, usually indicated by a red circle, so you can begin monitoring network activity immediately. This initial setup is crucial for effective analysis. Once you're in the Network tab, you'll see a powerful interface. The waterfall chart visually represents the timing of each request, showing you exactly when resources load. You can easily filter requests by type, such as XHR, JavaScript, CSS, or images, to focus your analysis. There's also a search bar, allowing you to quickly find specific requests by name or content. Understanding these elements is key to navigating the panel efficiently. Now that you understand the interface, let's analyze individual requests. Clicking on any request in the list reveals a wealth of information. You can examine its HTTP headers, the data sent in the payload, and the server's response. The Timing tab provides a detailed breakdown of each stage, from DNS lookup to content download. This deep dive helps you pinpoint exactly where performance bottlenecks might be occurring. With your analysis complete, you can now optimize. A primary goal is to reduce file sizes. Compressing images and minifying scripts can significantly decrease load times. Leveraging browser caching ensures that returning visitors experience much faster page loads, as many resources are stored locally. Finally, minimizing the total number of network requests, perhaps by combining files, will lead to a quicker and more efficient user experience overall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.